Google Docs. Google Docs is probably the least used form of Google types of assignments that I will use, but some teachers really like it. When you come to an assignment, you'll see the titles here. Now, during the school year, I'll probably title that with the day of the week that it is being assigned, but it depends on the teacher. You can see here is also the title of this document. So how to submit Google Docs. When I click on this, I can see a couple things. First is the due date. I can see when it was posted by the teacher. Your teacher is going to most likely take time to give you extra information about the assignment here, so please take a couple minutes to read that. It should take you less than a minute just to make sure that you fully understand what the teacher is asking of you. Now here you'll see a link to the assignment, but I'm going to ask you go to View Assignment. When you go to View Assignment, you can still see the notes, you can still see the link, you can see Add or Create, and you can see Turn In. Do not press Turn In yet. You can add a comment to your class. So this would be the entire class. What's up, friends? And I can press send. So now that's to my whole class. You can add a private comment to your teacher. Help! That only your teacher is going to see. It's private. Before I press turn in, I need to make sure I click here to do the assignment. Now I have two options. If the instructions tell me to make my own document, I can say add or create. That's going to give me the option to go to Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Drawings, pick something already on my computer. A link could be something from the internet, like a website or a video, and I can make my own. But I don't want to create my own. Here, one was already created for me. So when I click that, it takes me straight to the assignment. I've given you the details here, the information of how to complete it, so read that. And then you can see also that it's editable because I made you a copy. If you get to this assignment and there's a little button up here that says request access, that means your teacher forgot to make you a copy of the assignment and you are not allowed to edit it. By edit, I mean you're not allowed to do any of the work. So you can't do the assignment if they don't make you a copy. Reach out to your teacher and say, help, I need you to make me a copy. And that could be where you come here and write a private comment that says, I need a copy, okay? Going back here, you complete your assignment, you press turn in, and your assignment's turned in. You come back here, it doesn't say complete because for whatever reason, when I'm turning in assignments for you right now, it's jumping between my accounts. So it's taking it to my teacher account. But you press turn in, it should show here that it's assigned, that you've completed it. And then you can press the turn in button here. You can select your assignment. And you can say, you see your assignments here. So you can say turn in. And now you'll notice here it's changed from assignment to turned in. But you need to make sure that you actually did the assignment before you press turned in. If you decide, uh-oh, I made a mistake, I want to go back and fix it, you can unsubmit, which will change the attachment that you turned into your teacher. You can go back here and you can do a take two. So that for you is how to submit a Google Docs.